Welcome back again, everybody. It's Joe with Bug Weed Mart's Tip of the Month. June, summer, hot, right? So by now, hopefully you've done your pre-emergents for weed control. You've done your outdoor barriers with your granules and your spray. But once in a while, you're in the kitchen chopping onions or in the bathroom brushing your teeth and a teeny tiny little insect goes by your eyes and drives you crazy, right? So what are you going to do to control indoor flying insects? We really don't want to be spraying chemical inside. We want to think about something that's really low impact and in the areas that were affected by it most. So let me show you a couple of things. First of all, if you've got potted plants, you probably have gnats in some of them, right? So what if you had a card this size? This is a glue card, and when I peel back the adhesive here, this surface here is sticky. So what if I had that double-sided sticking up in my plant? How cool is that? This thing runs 99 cents and it's just amazing. So that's one option. If it's only plants, you're out the door for $1 or $2. How cool. Now, I also have two really cool lights that you plug into outlets that have a glue card on the back. And this glue card similarly has an adhesive. But the thing about these lights that's really neat is you never see the adhesive. You never see the glue card because it's disguised the entire time by being plugged in. In fact, it illuminates. Here's one that's got an extension cord, and you can see here's the card here that's got the bugs on it. But you never see the bug because it's plugged into the wall. So this one's a little bit bigger, works for a room maybe 500 square feet or so, runs you about $35. And the bulb you replace every 2 years. The card will last for months. So really very inexpensive, very low electrical draw, no chemical, always working. The other option, maybe for your bathroom or places that you have less space, but you got a sink right there. Here we go, same technology, a little bit different LED bulb. This is non-replaceable, but it lasts probably about 3 years, we think, we're told. The glue card for that, again, similarly peels back, and you'll be able to track your insects without ever seeing them by plugging it into the wall. So replacement glue cards for them are $13. There are 6, probably enough for 2 years. And $12 for the replacement cards for the big trap. So 3 really good options for indoors for keeping flying insects at bay. Any questions, please give us a call or stop by.